Hi guys, it's Shao, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I'm going to do, I really don't even know what it's called. I just started doing it. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting with a 20-ounce skinny tumbler from the Stainless Depot. And I'm going to take it out of the box and we're going to prep this tumbler. I am using just a regular stainless and I am not going to paint this. All I'm going to do is take off that little bottom piece and then sand the cup down. Once I am done sanding, I am going to take my rubbing alcohol and wipe down this tumbler to get all that dust off of the cup. And then I'm going to take some tape and kind of go down a little bit onto the cup and tape it off. And I am using this foiling glue from Aleen's, and I'm going to put this all over the top portion. Now that I got that evenly spread all over the top, I'm going to take my heat gun and hurry this drying process along. As you know, I am very impatient, and so yeah, I'm going to make sure that I heat that. Now, I could have gone over with a second layer of the glue, but I decided not to. I kind of wanted more of a rustic look. So I got this foil, and I got it from Temu, I think. And I'm putting that all over the top of the tumbler. That adhesive glue is going to grab hold of the colors, and when I remove it, most of the color will stay, but you'll see there's some looks like some distressing, which I'm obsessed with. Just sort of touching up a few spots. And then I'm going to remove that tape. And then I'm going to get my Aleen's Tack It Over and Over for the bottom half. And I'm going to spread that all over the bottom. And I do 2 coats of this. And this is a mixture of 50% Aleen's Tack It Over and Over and at 50% of water mixed together in a bottle. And I try to do this as smooth as possible. And then I'm going to, once again, get out my heat gun and dry this before doing the second coat. And this dries super fast with the heat gun. And drying that second coat. And then I am going to use Fairy Dust by the Glitter Heart Co. I really wanted a nice holographic glitter, and this was perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and spread it all over. And as you can see, when it's on the tumbler at first, it just looks silver. But I'm going to pour it all over, and then I'm going to burnish it down, and that rainbow holographic will just come through, and it's just beautiful. I should have put a glove on, but didn't. And I think the rainbow silver and the rainbow foil really complement each other. Now I'm going to take a chip brush and just sort of brush all that loose away. And I'm not too concerned with some of it that got onto the foil. And you'll see why here in a little bit. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to add 10 milliliters of epoxy. That is not a whole lot for a first coat. However, I'm going to add some chunky glitter to this. So I didn't want to put so much on it that it would kind of roll around. I needed it to stay kind of put where I put it. Get that all smoothed out. I use my torch to pop any bubbles. And then I'm going to go in with Bluey from Peachy Olive Glitters. A gorgeous, color shifting mini mix. Different mixes. It's got butterfly cutouts in it, which just ended up being perfect for this tumbler. And the octagon shapes. And I'm focusing mainly on the middle, but I do let some of it fly all over the tumbler. And I tried to zoom in to show you the butterflies, and my camera did not want to cooperate. So after that coat dried, I wanted to see if I needed to go in with a second coat before I moved on, and I really did not. It was pretty smooth, even with putting that chunky glitter on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my rim and then sand down to show a little bit of that stainless. And once I'm done with that, I do clean up again with rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to get all that dust off. Now I got these stickers from Amazon like forever ago. If they're still available, I will put them in the description box. But I thought since the glitter I was using had little cutouts of butterflies, that these would be perfect. And I finally was able to use them. Now there's so many different colors, which is perfect because of the rainbow foil. So I'm going to kind of do a reverse. I'm going to put kind of some of the colors that are up in the rainbow up at the top, down on the bottom. And I tried to get a variety of different butterflies. And of course, one for the bottom. And then at the top, I'm going to use holographic butterfly cutouts. Stickers. I guess it's technically stickers. And the great thing about this is you could put as many or the least amount that you want. So I'm happy with what I have on there. I am going to add final 2 coats of epoxy, and this is done. And I just love how this turned out. It is so different. I don't even know what kind to call it, the butterfly tumbler. But I love the holographic glitter at the bottom and the foil. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.